The Socius24 USP receipt check form blind receiving functionality allows users to receive unexpected inventory into Blue Yonder Dispatcher WMS. It also allows the user to add a new SKU on the fly if it doesn't exist, take photographs, create pack configurations and add item dimensions. Once confirmed, the form completes the receiving in Blue Yonder Dispatcher and creates the relevant inventory and inventory transaction records. The user can navigate to the screen by selecting the customer menu on the header bar and selecting the receipt check form from the drop-down menu. The user has to tick the blind receipt box and enter a valid SKU ID, EAN, UPC or supplier SKU before clicking the search button. The functionality checks Blue Yonder Dispatcher WMS to validate if the SKU exists. If it doesn't, the user is asked if they wish to add it. The check-in form is structured with buttons across the top of the page which allows the user to receive the line that they have checked, cancel the transactions, clear the form or add a new pack config. There are also buttons to view current linked SKU images and a button to take a new photograph of the SKU. The form itself is split into two. The left hand side contains the current known information regarding the SKU if it exists, and the right hand side is where the user can change or enter new values if the field allows updates. In this example, the user has entered values for the EAN, outer barcode, quantity and the delivery note number. They will also need to enter a receipt doc and a pallet type before confirming the receipt. The user can take a photograph of the product by clicking on the SKU photo button which opens the camera. The images are saved to the database so they can be used at a later date. It is possible for the user to create pack configs on the fly by clicking the Add Pack Config button. This takes the user into the Add Pack Config entry screen. The tracking levels can be defaulted for the user by setting them in Blue Yonder Dispatcher WMS system profile. Once the user has entered all the relevant information and saved the pack config, it is automatically linked to the SKU that they are working on in the checking-in form. When the user returns to the checking-in form, if they click on the Refresh Pack Config button, the newly created pack config is available for selection. The user can select the new pack config from the drop-down list and use it for the receipt. If the user selects the damaged condition code, the camera automatically prompts the user to take a photograph of the damaged product. Once the user has completed the checks and updated the relevant information, they can receive the line by clicking the Receive button. If successful, they are prompted with an information box confirming the quantity they have received. This performs the receiving in Blue Yonder Dispatcher WMS and adds the inventory and inventory transactions. It also stores the relevant information in a bespoke database table so the information can be easily accessed for reports and other extracts. For more information regarding the receipt checking-in form functionality, or if you're interested in a free no obligation USP demonstration, please contact info@socius24.com.